Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to show you how you can easily upsize that tight blouse that you have, those ones that you really love, because this is one of those occasions. I really like this blouse a lot, but it's a bit smaller than me. I can't even button it up to down, so I just had to do something about it. So first of all, we're just going to unseam. So I'm unseaming the sides down to the sleeves on both sides. So I added the sleeve because the sleeve is a bit too tight for me. I can barely raise my hand, and this a blouse that was actually my size at some point, I think, after pregnancy and giving birth, so bodies change and everything. So I'm just going to unseam where the sleeve meets the down part of this blouse, so that we'll take it in professionally. So this is easy tutorial, just look at it and you understand. So next, I'm just going to get a fabric that is close to the design at the front of the blouse. So that's why I picked this fabric. You can pick any fabric, you can pick net. I wanted to even pick net fabric before, but I changed my mind. I just decided to just stick to something closer to what's already on the blouse. So you can do many things with it. So this is the length and the width. I added 2 inches on both sides of this blouse so that it will fit me well and not too big at the same time. So it just depends on how small your blouse is. That's how you decide what to add. So this 04 piece is just for one side, so I'll make another 4 piece for the other side. So now we are just going to start from the body of the blouse. So I'm just going to fit this inside out. We are going to sew it like that, inside out, this slip of fabrics. You sew it like that. So this is how it's going to look like after sewing. And then next we are going to move to the sleeve the same way I did the body part, so it's just going to do it the same way. So yeah, this is me cutting out the excesses. Yep, so that it's easier to sew neatly. First thing first, we're going to attach the sleeve to the body, the part I loosed earlier on. This is it. This way we're able to connect the body and the sleeve together without any kind of constraint or budginess. So now we are going to start from the middle part where the sleeve meets the bottom, and then we're going to sew it exactly like this. So if you are sewing the sleeve, I think it's better you take it into the wrist of the sleeve so that it's just exactly the way it was before you unseam it. So this is it. There's not much difference in this width of the sleeve, so I'm just going to put it back in the way it was and then sew. So you see, that's it. So just few inches different, but it really didn't make any much difference by the time I put it back into the band. Next, the down part of the blouse is just going to take it in like this and sew. So everything I did on this part is what I did in the other parts, so it's exactly like this. So I didn't need to film that, so just know that's what happened in the other parts. So this is it before ironing. Then I decided to press it, and then it looks like it's part of the top. So this is how you can upsize the old dress or top. So please like, share, subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Till my next video. Bye for now.